p159 of your MPAH workbook. We're going to do corrections. Let's look at this line graph. It shows the temperature of an object that is heated over 5 minutes. This is the temperature scale from 0 to 180 degrees Celsius over the time period from 0 minute to 5th minute. Let's look at this line graph, and we want to find what is the value of one space. We know that two space, which is 0 to 20, two spaces represents 20, a value of 20. So we can find what is the value of one space, and that will be 20 divided by 2, and that is 10. So that means that each space represents a value of 10. So every time you increase in one space, the temperature is an increase in 10. So it's 20 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 60 plus 10, and so on. So let's look at question A. We want to find what is the temperature in the second minute. To find the second minute, it is here. We draw the line up until we touch the line graph. Then we draw a line across, and we have found the temperature in the second minute to be 70 degrees Celsius. Now let's find the temperature recorded on the fourth minute. So let's find where is the fourth minute. It's here. So we draw a line up until I touch the line graph. Then I draw a line across, and this is the temperature that we need to find. Remember, every space is an increase in value of 10. So this will be 100 plus 10, and that will give me 110. So the temperature in the fourth minute is 110. Now, question C. What was the increase in temperature of the object recorded between the third and the fifth minute? The third minute, it's here. The fifth minute, it's here. So, we want to find the increase. So, let's see. From the third minute, we can see that the temperature is 90. So I'll write down on the third minute, the temperature is 90. Let's find out what is the temperature on the fifth minute. On the fifth minute, the temperature is here, which is 130 degrees. So I will write down on the fifth minute is 130 degrees. Now, we want to find the increase in temperature between these 2 minutes. So we are finding the difference. So to find the difference, we are taking 130 minus 90. So we have found that the difference is 40 degrees Celsius. Now let's look at question D. Question D is a table that we need to fill up using the line graph. Let's see. In the 0 minute, the temperature is 30. In the first minute, the temperature is 50. So 50 here. In the second minute, the temperature is 70. So write down 70 here. Now in the third minute, In the third minute, the temperature is 90. So we will write down 90 over here. Now let's go to question E. The increase in temperature between which minute and the 5th minute is 60 degrees Celsius. So there should be an increase in 60 degrees Celsius from which minute to the 5th minute. Let's look at where is the 5th minute. This is the 5th minute. This is the 5th minute. So we want to find the increase in temperature between which minute to 5th minute is 60 degrees. We know that one space is 10. If one space represents a value of 10, then how many space represents a value of 60? So we want to find how many space represents the value of 60. To find that, we know that 10 times 6 is 60. So if I times 6 over here, I will times 6 over here. So 1 times 6 will give me 6. So I have found that 6 space represents a value of 60. So let's look at the 5th minute. The 5th minute on the line graph is here. Okay, this is 1 space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means from here to here is an increase of 60. Let's find out which minute has that increase in 60. It's from the 2nd minute. So the 2nd minute to the 5th minute has an increase in 6 spaces, which is 60 degrees. So there is an increase in temperature between the 2nd minute and the 5th minute was 60 degrees.